The ombre is 19, which is light nude, and the 27, which is milky white. Okay, so really thick density, and it will last you probably, I don't know, forever. And don't forget the no wipe top coat on the top to floating before you cure it. So you're gonna do it right on the top of the condensed glue gel. So I'm not curing anything yet. Okay, floating. You don't want to dragging it, and it's gonna be too aggressive. It might pull all the colors away. I mean the condensed glue gel away. So one of my favorites, like drop here, and then it's beautiful heart. This is in the, and then now I'm gonna add in the frame from the kit as well. Do not worry if it's not like perfect straight the way you want, because we are going to add it on, we are going to adjusting it. So I'm gonna add another frame, and also I did use the colors from the SS from Glow in the Dark kits. This is like today's tutorials, like a back to basics. I love it. You know what? The basics is always the best, because the clients will never get tired of like really beautiful, simple basics. Ombre nails and basics of the crystal placements. Okay. And I'm gonna add beads on. I always add a bead on. However, you know what? You can really rock without beads as well. But if you want to, you can add them right tight, closer to the between the frame and the frames, or between beads and beads, and between crystal and crystal. So let me add this one on. You can add this. The best thing about condensed glue gel is not going to set until you are going to cure. So you have all the time in the world to really adjusting it, you know, to move, to adjust however you want. I feel like it's cool to add some beads on it. Okay. Happy with this? We are going to cure for 60 seconds. Let me move that one back up just a little bit. If you need to adjusting it using the other end of your crystal picker, just move it up just a little bit. And adjusting it. Okay, perfect. Now we can cure.